Apple is rumored to introduce a new iPhone this spring. It will be inexpensive, but it is still unknown what it will be called. Two options flashed in the leaks: iPhone SE 2 and iPhone 9. Totalle, a company that produces accessories for smartphones, announced the receipt of pre-orders for cases specifically for iPhone SE 2, from which we can conclude that Apple chose the first version of the name. However, this, of course, is not 100% confirmation of Apple's choice. Why couldn't Apple choose a name for so long? The fact is that the original iPhone SE model was released in 2016 and, in the consumer's understanding, the second generation of this smartphone could hardly have appeared in 2020, since several years have already passed from that moment. In 2017, Apple released the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10, missing the 9, and that it could be released this spring. Despite this situation, the name iPhone SE 2, apparently, seemed to Apple more logical. iPhone SE cost $399 in the US, and it can be assumed that the iPhone SE 2 will be sold at the same price. It is expected that the iPhone SE 2 will receive an iPhone 8-style design. A 4.7-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 750 x 1334 pixels, a top-end Apple A13 Bionic processor, 3 GB of RAM and a mid-level camera. It will be very different from the more expensive iPhone models preparing for release in 2020. It has a smaller diagonal screen, and not OLED. But LCD, uses a simpler camera, does not support 5G and Face ID face scanner. But there is a fingerprint scanner Touch ID for the rest. He will offer users a top-end filling the low price and will appeal to those who miss flagship smartphones with small screens and moderate dimensions. The presentation of the iPhone SE 2 should be held in March. But it is possible that the release of this smartphone will be delayed due to production problems caused by the outbreak of coronavirus 2019 nCoV in China. However, the iPhone contractor Foxconn is rumored to transfer some of the production to India and Chinese cities that are not quarantined.